Hey guys, Friday, March 3rd here. Just here looking for a potential setup. I got this nice leg up here. Got the 834 cross right here. Just waiting for a pullback, hopefully to around 34 EMA. But if this price looks like it's gonna hold, and on the next candle we might break the fractal, I might just take the fractal break trade for a potential higher high on the next leg. So that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm watching for. I'll see if I get a nice pullback, or I'll see if I have to chase it a little bit and try to play the breakout. All right, keep you guys updated. Um, Also, you can see here that this level was resistance back here around 10, 12. So if we do break this level, you can definitely expect another leg higher. So that's what I'm watching for at the moment. I keep you guys updated on this one if I get a trade or not, and see how this one plays out. Hey guys, this one is just unreal. Alright, so like I said, I was waiting for this pullback here. I mean, all this happened in a matter of 2 minutes. Price pulled back all the way down to 76, and then on the next candle started showing some strength, so I jumped in at 76.75 with a 1 point stop, and this thing just continued, broke the fractal, and now we're over 3 points in my favor. So I took 3 off for 3 points, and I'm gonna see. I do think that we will climb higher on this one, so I'm gonna hold on to my last 3. But I mean, there must have been a huge stop below this fractal, and they just came down. I'm talking about within a matter of minutes, came all the way down and ripped it right back up. I mean, these markets are so manipulated, it's almost a joke. But I'm not complaining. I got a nice rip to the upside. I do see another leg higher here. I'll see if I can take some off at 81.75, and I actually might take all 3 of them off at 81.75. So I'll keep you guys updated on what happens with this one. Hey guys, quick update here about this move. Actually wasn't really like market manipulation, even though taking out this fractal probably was. It was actually Janet Yellen was speaking. I put on CNBC and I seen that she approved the rate hike, so that moved the markets. You know, as you guys know, I always have my Bloomberg economic calendar up, and every morning I always look here to see if I see any blue star events. Blue star events are what move the market, but I did not see this Janet Yellen speaks at 1 here, and so for some reason they didn't put a blue star there. I have no idea why, but I guess they thought it wasn't going to move the market, but obviously it did. Um, I have my stop at break even, and I still have my order at 81.75. Hey guys, another last update here. Unfortunately, after being up 4 points, price came all the way back down and took me out at 77 break even, just 1 tick above my entry. I was busy looking up what was going on, reading about the Fed hike, and I was going to trail my stop, move it up. Definitely could have put it maybe right under this swing low here at 78.25, but decided to just keep it break even. See if I can squeeze out, maybe 5 points on my last 3. But obviously it didn't. Nothing I can do now. I'm out the trade. I've been stopped out. All I can do now is just wait for the next setup. It is Friday, so I will be calling it a day. Alright, so end of the day with 487.50. The first 3 contracts. So the 79.75. So those 3 contracts alone made me 9 points. As you guys know, oh, actually, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm also trading with 6 contracts now. Don't really want to share my account size, but just know that with 6 contracts, 2 point stop, still fine. I'm not risking more than 1% of my account. So I decided to go ahead and start trading with 6 contracts. So with that being said, I sold 3 at 79.75, and the last 3 at 23.77. I got stopped out 1 tick above my entry. My entry was 76.75, so I had my stop break even. I definitely should have been trailing my stop. Well, in hindsight, trailing my stop would have been the smart thing to do. But if this thing would have kept ripping up, it would have been a different story. I would have been praising my my stop being at break even, giving it some wiggle room, whatever. It could have came down here and turned back around and hit my target, 81.75. And then at that point, keeping my stop at break even would have been the smart thing to do. But in real time, you never know what's gonna happen. You just gotta let the trade do what it's gonna do. But what I was saying earlier about the 6 contracts that I'm trading now, I had a 1 point stop at 75.75. So with 6 contracts, that's 6 points that I was risking. On my first 3 contracts, I made 9 points. So I have better than a 1-to-1. So I'm happy with my risk management. That's, to me, at the end of the day, whatever the trade does, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. I'm either gonna get a winner or I'm gonna get a loser. But what I can control, and the only thing I can't control, is my risk management. So if I'm doing better than a 1-to-1 on a high probability trade, I can't complain about that. All right, guys. So it is Friday, 1:30. I will be calling it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Have a good weekend.